Good afternoon. My name is Tanya Hughes, and thank you for joining me. I'd like to talk with you today about instituting a system in the United States for free or low-cost tuition for all higher education programs. That would include university, community colleges, technical colleges, vocational, and certificate programs. Now, the implementation of this would significantly improve and address current social crises affecting America. There's crushing student loan debt, increasingly high percentage of service-only jobs available, and a lack of new industries being developed in the United States as a future source for job markets. Higher education alone has a stabilizing effect on societies. Well-educated communities offers economic stability, higher tax revenues, rapid economic growth due to innovation, a public with critical thinking skills, lower incarceration rates, and plenty of job opportunities in a strong labor market. Higher education benefits to the individual in these societies are realized by higher earning potentials, lower unemployment, better health, and overall life satisfaction. Now, currently, the United States education system is based on the human capital theory, which views higher education as an investment in the self. I'm sure you've all heard the commercials. So the quick and dirty of the human capital theory is that education determines marginal productivity, which determines lifetime earnings. The average U.S. student graduates with $37,000 in student loan debt, some with a whole lot more. The total student loan burden in the United States as of 2016 is just over $1.31 trillion. Now that's a whole lot of investing in self. So the problem with this theory is that it's actually wrong in practice. Starting salaries after graduation, they are impacted by holding a degree versus not having a higher education degree. However, the differences in the starting wage, they are accounted for by variables like the institution that you graduated from, which field of study you pursued and graduated with. However, lifetime earnings are not. These are impacted by things like on-the-job training, the geographic location that you live in, social background, who you know, social contacts that are current, the customs and the hierarchy of the institution that you choose to work for, as well as your individual personal drive. Do you want to work 80 hours a week? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe. Currently, the higher education system in the United States does not offer career certainty or financial security. Colleges actually have no control over hiring practices, and they do not tailor their educational programs to industry trends. So you can graduate with a fine arts degree and work as a waiter. That's possible. There's a lot of degrees, actually. So in the U.S., degree programs are often chosen by students because of the salary range that you are looking at after graduation, instead of by career satisfaction, programs of interest, things like that. So some of the problems is that we have a really high burnout rate. Some of the benefits from instituting a free program: low unemployment, low welfare, higher job satisfaction, higher satisfaction of citizens overall, high community morale, improved volunteerism, improved life satisfaction, lower burnout rates. Now, I appreciate your time today.